Okay, we will make the buttercream for our Sylvanas. So we have here are 6 egg. This is boiler. Ayan. 6 egg yolks lang to ha. Egg yolks. Then let's add 2 cups of sugar. Okay, hinahon muna. Hinahaan. Okay, tutunawin natin yung sugar. Hi, sugar. Okay. Okay. Wait nating matunaw yung sugar natin. Okay. It's okay. For every 3 egg yolks or 4, we need a cup of sugar. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it. Sugar to melt. Basta continuous halo lang ha. Continuous halo. Okay, ganyan na. Halos wala na sugar. Okay. Basta kailangan tunaw na tunaw. Okay, there we go. We have butter. So, gawin natin yung ating buttercream. Lagay natin paunti-unti. Ayan. Medyo mainit kasi. Oops. Then, kailangan natin ito. Okay, let's add some teaspoon of vanilla. And then, teaspoon of lime juice. Okay na guys, that's our buttercream. Diba?